If you use Firefox on Windows, one of the smartest things you can do is keep a backup of your bookmarks before anything goes wrong. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to back up and restore bookmarks in Firefox step by step so you can protect all your favorite websites, folders, and saved links. This is especially useful if you're switching computers, reinstalling Windows, troubleshooting Firefox, or just want peace of mind knowing your bookmarks are safe. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, let's back up your Firefox bookmarks. Open Firefox on your Windows computer and look to the top right corner of the browser. Click the menu button, which is the icon with 3 horizontal lines. From the menu, move down to Bookmarks, then click Manage Bookmarks at the bottom. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl, Shift, and O to open the library window much faster. Once the library window opens, you'll see your bookmark management area. At the top of this window, click Import and Backup. This menu gives you several options for saving and restoring your bookmarks. If you want to create a backup file that is specific to Firefox, choose Backup. Firefox will save your bookmarks as a .json file. This is the best option if you want to restore them later in Firefox exactly as they are now. If your goal is to move bookmarks into another browser, you can instead choose Export Bookmarks to HTML. This creates an HTML file, which is useful if you want to import your bookmarks into another browser or keep a more universally readable copy. For most Firefox users though, the backup option is the safest choice for a full restore later. After choosing your backup option, a save window will appear. Pick a folder on your computer where you want to keep the file. A good idea is to store it somewhere easy to find, like your Documents folder, Desktop, or a dedicated Backups folder. Give it a name if needed, then click Save. Firefox will create the backup file right away. Now that your bookmarks are backed up, let's go over how to restore them. This is just as important because if you ever lose bookmarks or need to move them back into Firefox, this is the process you'll use. To begin, open the library window again by going to Menu, then Bookmarks, then Manage Bookmarks, or simply press Ctrl, Shift, and O on your keyboard. Inside the library window, click Import and Backup once again. This time, hover over or click Restore. Firefox will show you a list of automatic backups that it has created for you. These are data backups, and they can be very helpful if you want to go back to an earlier version of your bookmarks. If you want to restore from one of those automatic backups, just choose the date that looks correct. If you manually saved a JSON backup file earlier, click Choose File. Then browse to the folder where you saved your backup, select the JSON file, and click Open. Firefox may display a warning message telling you that your current bookmarks will be overwritten. This is important, so make sure you understand it before continuing. If you're restoring from a backup, that warning is normal because Firefox is replacing the current bookmarks with the backup version you selected. Confirm the prompt to continue, and Firefox will restore your bookmarks. After the process finishes, check your bookmark bar and bookmark folders to make sure everything looks right. If you backed up your bookmarks successfully before making changes or restored them from a good file, you should now have all of your saved links back in place. A quick tip before we finish, it's a great habit to make bookmark backups regularly, especially before updating Firefox, resetting your profile, or making major changes to your computer. Keeping a recent backup can save you a lot of frustration later. And if you use bookmarks for work, school, or important research, storing a copy of that backup somewhere safe, like a cloud drive or external drive, is even better. So that's how to back up and restore bookmarks in Firefox on Windows. It only takes a few minutes, but it can save you from losing a lot of important links. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and leave a comment if you want to see more Firefox tips in the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.